Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Chippity Dippity Flippity, and today on the show we have Phone Guy. Now, I'm aware that Markiplier has already interviewed Phone Guy, but he was courteous enough to come over to our channel, our show, and to do an interview with him. So, Phone Guy, are you there?
Yes, I'm here.
Okay, Phone Guy. So, tell us about Five Nights at Freddy's. What's the deal over there?
Well, people like to have a lot of speculation, and people like to give out rumors, but I'm here to tell you that those are falsified, and they are not true.
They're not true, huh? So people didn't get stuffed into exoskeleton suits. Is that what you're telling me?
Oh, no, that happened. That happened for sure.
Okay, then how did nobody not get hurt?
Well, listen, we did have some complications in the past, like with the bite of 87, when Foxy bit some kid's head off. But we got that problem dealt with. But now we have added a seduction quality to the animatronics.
Seduction quality? What do you mean you've added a seduction quality to the animatronics?
Well, listen. At first, the animatronics would see you at nighttime and they would see you as an exoskeleton. They would see you as just an animatronic without its suit on. But we fixed that, and we put a seduction quality in them. So now, instead of them seeing you as an endoskeleton, they will see you as the potential mating partner and probably try to fuck you in the asshole.
Okay, I don't think that's the greatest idea there, Phone Guy. I don't think anybody wants to get anally raped by robots.
Well, listen. There are people out there who enjoy that. We've already got people trying to get in at nighttime and bring the lube so that they can get anally raped by Freddy.
Okay, that's a little disturbing there, Phone Guy.
Okay. It might be a little disturbing, but that's just the way that it is, okay? Now, here's the thing. People are saying that sometimes the animatronics like to go a little rough. But, I mean, I assure you that there is no problem with the animatronics, and that anybody can come over and gladly get anally raped by the animatronics at any time.
Nobody wants to be anally raped!
Hey, don't yell at me, I'm the fucking Phone Guy.
I don't care who you are. Nobody wants to come to your restaurant and get...
No, listen. You listen to me.
No, you listen to me, fucker. Nobody wants to come to your restaurant and get anally raped. You need to fix these damn animatronics. Nobody wants to get murdered. Nobody wants to get anally raped by a robot. Nobody wants that.
Well, that's not what the Japanese say with their tentacle porn.
The tentacle porn has nothing to do with animatronics.
Oh, so you say?
Okay, you know what? All right, that's it, Phone Guy. You're gone.
Well, fuck you.
Well, guys, that was great. That was a great interview with Phone Guy there. I don't know how Markiplier did it. Dude seems like a total asshole to me. I appreciate y'all tuning in. My name is Chippity Dippity Flippity Whippity, and I'll see you never.